Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Triumph of Spoken English, the English for everyone, either you know English or don't know English. Well, I'm Biswajit and I'm here to help you how to speak English fluently. By the way, today's topic is anyone can speak English fluently. Is it true that anyone can speak English fluently? The answer is yes, of course, it is true. Anyone can speak English fluently if he or she has burning desire to speak English fluently. But bro, what is burning desire? How does burning desire help people or help us to speak English fluently? Could you explain it for us? Yes, I can. Okay, let me explain the answer of these questions. Truly speaking, burning desire is a keen, pulsating desire that can transcend everything else. It is definite. It is not a hope, it is more than hope. It is not a wish, but more than wish, more powerful, more stronger than your wish. Be honest, burning desire works as driving force that will help you to reach the place where you want to go, to get the thing what you want to get, to overcome the difficulties that you have that prevent you to reach your full potential. That is why it is said that motivation to succeed comes from burning desire to achieve a purpose. You know friends, Napoleon Hill said, "Whatever the mind of a man can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve." I think it's not enough to make you understand what is burning desire or to give you the real taste of burning desire. Okay, let's share a story that will give you the real taste of burning desire. By the way, the story is taken from You Can Win by Shiv Khera. Okay, let's dive into the story.
Well, once a young man asked Socrates the secret to success. The Socrates told the young man to meet him near the river the next morning. They met, and Socrates asked the young man to walk with him toward the river. When the water got up to their necks, Socrates took the young man by surprise and pushed him under the water. The boy struggled to get out of the water, but Socrates kept him firmly there. When the boy started turning blue by lacking of oxygen, Socrates raised the boy's head out of the water. The first thing the boy did was to take up a deep breath of air. Socrates asked, "What did you want the most when you were underwater?" The boy replied, "Air." Socrates said, "That is the secret to success. When you want success as badly as you wanted air underwater, you will have it. There is no other secret. This is called burning desire."
Well, next come to the next point. How does burning desire help people to get success in any purpose? Here, I'm gonna share with you two incidents that will tell you the role of burning desire to get success.
1. Swami Vivekananda or Swamiji had a burning desire to take part in the World Conference of Religion that was to be held in the America. But it was almost impossible for him to go there because he didn't have enough money to go and not anyone knew him there. One day, he kept his wish in front of an American woman. Looking towards Swamiji's keen desire, that woman helped him to reach there. You know friends, Swamiji was the center of attraction in the conference for the speech he delivered there. Even today, the speech he delivered in Chicago is considered as one of the best speeches ever delivered in the history. So all this was possible only because of his burning desire. 2. Burning desire is what that made a paralytic Wilma Rudolph the fastest woman in the track at 1960 Olympics, winning 3 gold medals.
Frankly speaking, Maybe you know little bit how to speak English fluently. Maybe you don't know how to speak English fluently. You have lots of problems, lots of difficulties to speak English fluently. It's not a matter if you have a burning desire to speak English fluently, because your burning desire will tell you what to do, how to do, and will give you power and motivation to overcome difficulties, problem to reach your goal on speaking English fluently. And ultimately, it will help you to become a wonderful English speaker. To conclude, I wanna say, our burning desire is the starting point of all achievements. Just like a small fire cannot produce much heat, a weak desire cannot create great results. I hope this video will be helpful for you. In the upcoming video, I will tell you where from burning desire comes, or how to create or generate burning desire in you. If you like this video, please press the like button, share with your friends, make comments below. To get latest video from me, never forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. See you in the upcoming video.